I'm going to be giving a car away today. Carl, congratulations to you. You are the lucky winner of the BMW E60 525D. I cannot wait to get this car delivered to you. If you're wondering why I'm outside of Quick Fit right now, it's because I noticed the steering wheel was a little bit off center, and I thought it would be a good idea to check the wheel alignment. I haven't had a full proper wheel alignment on this thing. I did change the strap rod ends and things, done the front toe, but I never done a full four-wheel alignment, and good job that I did as well. I'll show you the results. So if you have a look at the top, that was before, all over the shop it was. As you see at the bottom, front toe perfect, rear toe and rear camber now perfect. You can see the front left camber is out slightly, not a massive thing. There's no camber adjustment on these cars, but yeah, should drive perfect now. Not that it drove particularly bad before mine, but yeah, like I said, it's just one of them little things that I wanted to get done to make sure that I'm handing the car over in as best condition as possible. Also have a couple of little treats for Carl as well. So if we have a look in the boot, we'll see we have some beers. Carly said he likes Coors, so thought it'd be only well that I give him a little treat, and a little something for his kids as well. Right, let's get onto his house and get this car delivered. Carl,
hello,
how you
mate.
doing? Congratulations.
Nice. Thank you very much.
You've won a car.
Oh, still mad to believe, to be honest.
Yeah, it's one of them where it's, oh, it's not going to be me, it's not going to be me, but it's you.
Exactly that, yeah, exactly that.
So, this is it. It's not in the best condition cosmetically, but mechanically, you know, how it drives and everything, it's yeah, so good. I've actually just took it for a wheel alignment as well. I noticed the steering wheel was slightly off center, so I thought I'll go and get it checked. I haven't, you know, given it a four-wheel alignment before, so I've done that and it's all perfect now, all spot on. So it should drive like brilliant. But yeah, congratulations, you won a car for what? Did you buy 2 tickets? Was it? 2 tickets, yeah. Yeah, brilliant. And it's a bit surreal for me because I never really thought I'd be doing this myself, but yeah, thank you for the opportunity of giving you a car.
Thanks for doing it as well.
But yeah, if you open the boot as well, there's a couple of goodies in there for you.
Thanks very much.
It's all right. There's a couple of some chocolates in there for the kids as well.
Oh, lovely, mate. Thanks.
So hopefully you enjoy them. But have you got any plans for the car?
Yeah, I was going to keep it.
Okay. I mean, I'm not going to judge, like, if you do want to sell it, you know, don't feel like you have to keep it. It's obviously, it's up to you. It's your car now at the end of the day. So, you know, do as you see fit. I'm not going to judge you either way. Okay, so what are your plans for the car then?
I think just going to keep it, just use it, see how I get on with it.
Have it as a daily driver?
Daily, yeah. So.
Yeah. What about your current car?
Probably keep that for a little while, just see how I go with this. Yeah. If I enjoy it and stuff like that. So. Yeah. And eventually probably sell my one.
Brilliant. Have you owned a BMW before?
I haven't, no, this will be the first one.
Oh, this is your first one. Well, I'll say the E60, that was my first BMW, so it's a good place to start. It's so comfortable, honestly. Like, bang for buck, I would say this is one of the most comfortable cars you can buy. You know, I mean, you can get these for £3,000, £4,000, £5,000, and yeah, honestly, so comfortable. And with this being the 525D, obviously 3 litre straight 6 diesel, bags and bags of power, bags of torque, and it's really good on fuel. So yeah, ultimate daily drive. I mean, I daily drove it for about 6 months and I loved it. You know, it's, yeah, up and down the motorway, it's brilliant. And yeah, I think you've got a good one in this. It's, you know, well sorted, common problems have been done. Just keep on top of things, you know, fluid changes, oil changes, that sort of thing, and you should be golden. But no, hope you enjoy it.
Hopefully, yeah, should be good.
I'll evacuate all my belongings.
Yeah, it's still mad to be. You enter these things thinking, oh, I'm never going to win this.
Yeah. Do you enter car competitions on a?
I've got to do another one, Calvin's card on.
Oh, okay, yeah.
His as well.
Do you know how many tickets he sort of has?
No, I'm not too sure.
Oh, right, okay. Because I was looking it up like the other day, and people, like some competitions literally have like 200,000 tickets, and it's like chances aren't that great, are they? So, you know, I'm not doing this to make a profit. I just wanted to, you know, get rid of the car, get it gone to someone that watches the channel ideally, and then just cover the expenses and that really. But yeah, I mean, it's can't complain, can you?
Not really, not for £20.
No. We made it, you got the car, we're all happy, and
absolutely.
Yeah, just hope you enjoy it anyway. But no, thanks a lot again anyway, Carl.
Thanks very much.
Yeah, just look after it.
I will, I'll try.
Brilliant, nice one.
Cheers, thank you.
And we're back home. Carl, hope you enjoy the car. Like I said, it doesn't matter what you do with it. If you want to keep it, if you want to sell it, feel free. You said you want to keep it, you want to experience what a BMW is all about. So yeah, hope you enjoy the car anyway. I want to say I have massively, thoroughly enjoyed this process from start to finish. I never saw myself ever giving a car away. It's something that I've always wanted to do, but now I've actually done it. I kind of think I want to do something like this again. I'm not making any promises, you know, I don't know if and when this is going to happen again, but I think I may have to do this again at some point. Let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to possibly potentially give a car away on the channel again. Of course, it'll be the same sort of you know, same sort of structure, so you guys will you know, donate to the channel and you'll buy yourself a spot in a raffle to win a car essentially. So yeah, it's been good fun. Like I said, Carl, enjoy the car. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give this one a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one.